this week we are going to do a guided visualization meditation. As we learned with guided visualizations, you may be able to picture the actual scenery in your mind. You may just feel the sensations of being in that space, or you may just utilize the sound of my voice to guide you into relaxation. Any experience you have is correct. If you catch your mind wandering, just gently bring it back to the cues I'm giving you. We're going to start with some more intense breath work for this meditation. This 2-1 style of breath work is meant to evoke powerful sensations of relaxation that may include tingling and maybe some lightheadedness. You definitely shouldn't feel like you're going to pass out. So if it ever becomes too intense, you can return to your normal cadence of breath or elicit 4-7-8 breathing from last week's meditation. So let's get started. Settling into our comfortable seat. Finding a position in which we can begin to allow our body to relax. Maybe picturing a string from the top of the head out the bottom of the spine, pulling our spine as long and as tall as it will go, and allowing the vertebrae to stack back on top of each other. Maybe tucking the chin in ever so slightly so that the back of our neck is long, extended. Settling into our body, into our space, into this moment, you may choose to blink your eyes closed or rest your stare gently down in front of you, allowing the muscles around your eyes to relax and the muscles in your forehead to relax. Allowing your shoulders to begin to fall down and away, releasing any tension. Just giving a quick scan to our entire body, seeing if there are any areas that call for our attention. Just bringing loving, gentle awareness and breath to these areas. Breathing into them, accepting them, becoming curious of them. Just settling into our body, into this moment. To begin, we're going to start with some breath work. There'll be 2 inhales through the nostrils and 1 exhale through the mouth. It will sound like this. When we begin, I will count for you. We are going to do 25 of these breaths. All you need to do is keep pace with me. It's a quick breath work, but hopefully you will see the benefits of doing this type of pranayama or breath work. And we begin. Relaxing back into your long, slow, deep breathing. You might feel your head tingle, relaxation enter your body. As you drift into this moment, in your mind you might begin to picture a lush, dark green forest sprawled out in front of you. It can be mountain ranges or just a vast forest. In your mind's eye, picturing yourself beginning to walk down a path towards this forest. As you get closer and closer, you're able to release any negative energy or worries. As you're walking down this path, your body is getting heavier. Your mind is getting stiller and more quiet. When you enter into this forest, you begin to be able to feel the ground underneath you. If you're wearing shoes, or maybe you're barefoot and you can feel the dirt, the moss, the leaves underneath your feet. You can smell the trees and the mist or the dew around you. You can breathe in and feel the crisp air. It's your favorite temperature here. You're wearing whatever you need to wear to be comfortable as you just revel in the perfectness. Maybe you can hear any animals or sounds of the forest that bring you joy. Birds or squirrels. As you're walking down this path, just feeling happiness and joy, you see a clearing in the distance. As you approach this clearing in the forest, you see that the canopy is open here and light just shines down. Sunlight is streaming into this clearing. As you step into the clearing, you feel the sun against your face and your skin. You might smile and just welcome in this amazing feeling. Warmth and life-giving sun. You see a creek running through this clearing, and you walk and sit by this body of water. Might be a small trickling stream or a large flowing creek, but you sit by this water. Maybe you even dip your feet into it to feel the crisp water. As the sun continues to warm your body. This river, this water You don't know where it runs to, but you know that it is here to heal you and to bring your highest and best good to you. It welcomes you to go inward and to find anything that gives you anxiety or worry or struggle or strife, and pull it out of you. Maybe you can see this problem as something physical, like a piece of paper or a leaf. And you set this problem or this worry into the stream and let the stream take it away from you. You know as it flows away from you that this problem will be taken care of for you. You no longer need to hold on to it or carry it or worry about it because it is being solved for you. You may do this again and again, just finding your burdens and setting them into this life-giving, nurturing river. It will heal you and solve these troubles as they float away from you. Once you feel like you have let go of any of the burdens that you're holding on to, you might choose to immerse yourself in this water, stepping all the way into the river, into this creek, just laying down and allowing this water to flow over you, to cleanse you, to heal you, and to just hold you in safety and love. As you lay in this river, you know that you are taken care of. You're whole. That everything is okay and is right. Maybe smiling again with this feeling of love and safety surrounding you. Whenever you're ready, getting out of the river, climbing onto the bank in the clearing, breathing in the warming sunshine, beginning to walk towards the forest again, taking the same path out of the forest. You might just smile to yourself as you know that you are lighter, you're more free leaving than when you came in. Breathing in the last few smells, sounds, sensations of this forest as you're coming to the edge. And you begin to leave the forest. You might take one more deep breath into your belly, giving yourself a smile, and blinking your eyes open. Maybe you wiggle your fingers and toes, but you finished a meditation. I hope you've enjoyed this guided visualization.
Please know that you can utilize this guided meditation or any of the other ones I've recorded at any time, and you can also incorporate aspects of them that you enjoy into your own practice. So happy sit, and as always, stay centered, y'all.